felt like leadership has been defined by exhaustion. Wake up early, work harder, be everywhere, prove yourself again and again and again. Now, leadership does not have to mean burnout. Leadership can also mean balance. Leadership can also mean leading from alignment and not that adrenaline rush. You don't have to hustle to lead, you can actually embody leadership. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today's episode is actually for women who know that they are meant to lead, but not in that old masculine way the world has taught them to. You don't want to hustle, you don't want to compete, you don't want to prove your worth anymore because you want to lead through authenticity, intuition, and grace. So let's explore what real feminine leadership looks like and how you can rise in power without losing your peace. These are the 5 steps to embody leadership without the hustle. Firstly, redefine what leadership means to you. Because leadership is not about managing people only. It's also about embodying alignment. Ask yourself, what do I want people to feel in my presence? How do people feel when you're around? Lead from intention, don't lead from image. Secondly, drop the productivity pressure. The hustle culture, it just glorifies doing more and more and more, and it just pressurizes us. Feminine leadership honors doing what truly matters to us. So just simplify this to-do list of yours. Choose what nourishes your energy, what brings you joy, what brings you happiness. Choose only those things and just reject the things that drain you. Number 3, lead from intuition, not strategy. Intuition is the most powerful leadership tool that we all have within ourselves. So pause before every major decision that you need to make and ask yourself, is this making me feel expansive, or is this, just making me feel smaller? Is it just making me feel blocked? Your body, it often knows before your mind does. So take those cues that your body keeps giving you. If something is making you feel heavy, it's not meant to be. If something is stressing you out, if something is, making you feel as if it's just controlling you, it's not meant to be. Lead from intuition. Choose what gives you happiness. Choose what gives you joy. Choose what makes you feel lighter and more fulfilled. Number 4, create space for rest and reflection. So, true leadership, it requires a lot of capacity, right? And capacity will only increase or grow when you have enough rest. So, build white space into your calendar. Don't just fill your calendar up with scribbles. Let there be those white spaces. Quiet time that fuels clarity, creativity, and connection. That is the time that enhances your leadership skills also. Number 5, model ease for others. So the women who come after you are watching, okay? Show them that leadership can be calm, leadership can be grounded, leadership can be graceful. Be that leader who inspires others and who gives others the permission to slow down and still shine. Leadership is not about being the loudest in the room. Leadership is about being the clearest in your energy. And leadership is all about being the person others can resonate with. You don't have to chase power. You have all the power because you are the power. And when you lead from truth, when you lead from authenticity, when you lead from a position of being human, the world will feel your frequency. So, well, my dear leaders, if this episode spoke to your heart, share it with somebody who needs to hear this today. Like and comment. Let me know how you feel about it. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now, but asking you to subscribe to Flight to Fulfillment either on Substack or YouTube or Spotify or Apple, wherever you're more comfortable, so that you don't miss out on a single dose of inspiration coming your way. Until next time, I ask you to remain calm with your strength, with your radiance, with your grace, knowing that you are a leader everybody looks up to. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.